You think you need a studio, fancy cameras, and a whole crew to make a viral video? Wrong. Today, I'm revealing a secret tool. You just type a few words, and boom, a complete video appears with music, voiceover, and visuals ready to go. This is NextGen AI Lab, where I don't just review AI tools, I turn them into weapons you can use to build your brand, tell your story, and sometimes leave people speechless. If you want to turn AI into your personal content machine, hit that subscribe button because you're about to see something most people don't even believe is real. Okay, let's dig in. The tool we're using today is called InVideo AI, and trust me, it's a lot more powerful than it looks. First, type InVideo AI into Google, then click on the link called InVideo.io. That's their official website. Once you're there, hit the Try Video AI button. For the easiest setup, just sign in with your Google account. It only takes 2 seconds. Next, InVideo may ask you a few quick questions about the type of video you want to create. It's really just one click, no pressure, just the basics. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard. And here's where it gets important. To unlock all the cool features of InVideo AI, you'll need to enable beta mode. Just look up in the upper right corner, click on your profile icon, then select Settings. Scroll down a bit and enable beta features. This step will unlock the real magic, so don't skip it. Once that's on, head back to the home page and choose the latest version of InVideo AI. Right now, that's version 4.0. This is where the magic happens. You can type in your full script or just a video idea and then click Generate. InVideo will do the rest. It'll create a voiceover, find the visuals, add subtitles, even edit the entire thing for you. Don't have a script? No problem. Use ChatGPT-4. It gives cleaner, more structured results than the free version. Now, if you want more control, click into Workflow. Here you can throw YouTube video, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or even TikTok. Let's say we're creating a YouTube short. You'll be asked to choose the pacing. Fast or super fast? I'll go with fast for this one. Then, type in your video idea. I'll go with something cool like, what if you never slept again? Choose the platform you want to create content for, whether it's a full-length. Next, Settings. First, the soundtrack. I'll go with a mysterious tone. Something a little mysterious fits the space theme. Then, choose your language. Just click the language menu and select the language you need. For this one, let's choose English. Under Subtitles, enable Add Captions automatically. This is useful if your audience is watching the video without sound. Then, choose the voiceover type. Any, male, or female. I'll choose any to let the system decide for me. You'll also see options for watermarks, music library, and stock footage. For the music source, I recommend choosing YouTube Audio Library to avoid copyright issues. For stock footage, the free version will include a watermark on your video. If you want clean, professional results, upgrade to a paid plan. Once everything is ready, click Process, then Create. And boom, InVideo will automatically populate your titles, voiceover, images, music, and subtitles. When a confirmation screen pops up, it'll show you the exact details, like one 60-second YouTube short with stock voice and stock media. Click Continue, and InVideo will start generating your video. This usually takes just a few minutes. And here's where it gets really cool. The AI picks clips that match your story. A realistic animation showing a person staying awake for days. Their body and mind start to break down. Hallucinations, memory loss, immune failure.
Why do 100% of humans need sleep to survive? What if you just skipped it forever? Here's what would really go down. At first, you'd feel like a superhero, more time for games, studying, or scrolling endlessly. But after just 24 hours, your brain starts glitching focus tanks, memory fizzles, and your mood
Want
crashes.
to make changes? No problem. Click Edit, and you'll see three main sections. Edit Media, change the video clips for each scene. Edit Script, adjust the wording of your narration. Edit Music, pick a different soundtrack. For example, under Edit Media, just click on a scene and you'll see the matching script and video clip. You can upload your own footage or choose from their stock media. Under Edit Script, fix any typos or change the phrasing to match your tone. Under Edit Music, preview different tracks or upload your own, then just hit Apply. And yes, you can even use text commands like make subtitles bigger or add black border to captions. Everything updates instantly with one click. Once you're happy with the video, click Download. You'll get two options. Export video, get the full video file. Export project to timeline, if you want to do extra editing in apps like CapCut or Premiere. You can also... Now, if you're using the free version, your video will have a watermark. But if you go Pro, the watermark disappears, and you can export in up to 1080p resolution. The monthly plans start at $35 for Plus and $60 for Max. But if you choose annual billing, it drops to $28 and $50 per month. Honestly, the speed and quality InVideo AI gives you is well worth the price. And there you have it. Your full AI-generated video is ready to post on YouTube, TikTok, wherever. You didn't film anything, you didn't voice anything, you didn't even open an editing app, and yet you have a complete video ready to share. This is the power of AI. Before, you'd need a script writer, voice actor, video editor, and hours of work. Now, you just type an idea, and AI handles the rest. That means anyone can start a personal brand, share their story, or even build a side income. No tech required. AI just made this entire video in minutes. No filming, no editing, nothing. And we've only scratched the surface. Hit subscribe and stick around, because the next tool I'll show you is even more powerful.